President Emmerson Mnangagwa is removed. Retired Lieutenant General Engelbert Rugeje, one of the key figures in the 2017 military coup that propelled him to power, from his position on ministerial boards in what sources describe as part of a wider pack targeting senior army officials aligned with the VP Constantino Chiwenga. Sanapena mashoko obuda panguva ino chionekwa kunzi aiwa Mnangagwa ofire mageneral achiwenga ndori subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipna mnamo obuda nyuka mchinzi Rugeje, who had been serving on the boards of the Tobacco Industry and Marketing Board team and the Agricultural Marketing Authority AMA, was unceremoniously dropped with Mnangagwa's full consent, according to government sources. 4 other senior retired army officers, reportedly aligned with the vice president, have also been quietly removed from influential roles within state institutions. The dismissals mark a significant escalation in internal ZANU-PF power struggles, with Mnangagwa moving swiftly to sideline senior figures perceived to be loyal to Chiwenga, his former military ally turned political rival. Rugeje, who once served as ZANU-PF's national political commissar, played a pivotal role in Operation Restore Leaders, the November 2017 coup that ended Robert Mugabe's 37-year-old rule and paved the way for Mnangagwa's ascension. However, relations between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga, and by extension their respective loyalties, have steadily deteriorated since. Sources within the Ministry of Defense and Intelligence circles say the recent sackings are designed to neutralize Chiwenga's military backing and test his capacity to retaliate or mobilize against Mnangagwa. The move also comes amid reports that Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has resisted supporting Mnangagwa's controversial ambition to extend his presidency beyond the constitutionally allowed 2 terms. The peg follows growing speculation that Mnangagwa never intended to share or relinquish power, despite public pledges made in the wake of the coup that suggested a transitional arrangement involving both the military and civilian leaders. Critics have accused the president of consolidating power through patronage, constitutional amendments, and institutional pegs designed to isolate Chiwenga and eliminate any potential threat to his rule. Thomas Kwarubuda panguva inoi arikuonekwa kunzi aiwa general panguva ino Ogurwa mapapiro aiwa chinokonzi maallies avo ese aiwa ofaiwa. Ina section medu mliza mafunguro emoto kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musana subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.